Hello guys, today we will discuss about how to use lightshot. Lightshot is a tool which is used for taking any screenshot of screen. Let's start. Search first of all lightshot on Google. Simply then there is a app of website of lightshot. Simply open and install. Then click on the download for downloading your lightshot on Android or Windows. If when you open this, then you will use it. I have already downloaded this, so I am using this. After downloading, you simply click on the print screen for taking SS. As now I am clicking on it. Now select the area which you want to taking SS. Like I am taking this one, and there is some options of editing in SS, like pen for writing something, for lining, arrow, taking a arrow. There is a square for squaring something. There is also a header for heading something. There is some colors also. There is a text to writing something, like I'm writing SA. You also change these colors also. Then there is a option of cloud to upload in cloud. There is also option of share on social networks. There is also option of searching related images on Google. There is also option of printing this SS. There is also copy option and also save option to save in your PC. There is also option of cut this taking process. There is also option of undo to undo these all work, as you see. Now click on cut to cut your SS. Thank you so much.